Welcome back to another crypto video. Hey ladies and gents, hope you're doing awesome and I hope you had a great day wherever you are. So today we're going to check out Quant, as I think is a very underlooked project, and we have some bullish news as well as some really interesting price action. That green candle today was absolutely massive, and I think that sparks the beginning of a new potential uptrend for Quant. It looked very, very good. So we're going to hop into a bit of price action and look at a bit of news. But before we do make sure you smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Also, do hop into the Discord channel if you like. We've got like lots of different discussions. You can find that in the description down in the video. So do all of those things. Make me a happy boy. So let's hop into it. Quant provides interoperability between DLT networks through Overledger. So we can see here, Quant USD was the biggest gainer in the top 100 crypto coins by market cap today. It added as much as a quarter to its value. So they're really facing a lot of problems. There's lots of great development issues going in, and they're putting lots of funding back into it. So how can Overledger help? Hyperledger hosted an Oracle event at which Quant demonstrated the interoperability based on its multi-ledger token solutions. So they are using different systems to enhance the experience of Quant and make it more scalable, which is really, really good to see here. So looking at the Etherscan as well, we can also see the holders are shooting up little by little. We are up already from the Friday 21 Jan, 41.6k up to 42.4k. So there's another 800 unique holders right there just in 2 weeks. So you're looking at around 2,000 holders a month. And I think it's very, very young. This project is very, very young. Now Quant is trading at $127.62, ranked 66. So it is one of our medium sort of cap projects with 1.7 billion market cap. And we can see, even looking at the supply here, we've almost got a fully diluted market cap there as well, which is pretty good to see. And what we can see as well is that on the 30-day time frame, we're down a whopping 30%. So we have lost quite a bit of the price. We have been in a big downtrend. There's lots of fear in the market, anxiety, depression, la-di-da-di-da. And on the 7-day time frame, we have pumped quite a bit. On the daily, we've had a really juicy big green candle, and I think you can just see here some of the key areas demonstrated. If we look at the impulse to start with, this massive impulse all the way up to $400, we've corrected now down below that 0.786 Fibonacci level, which is a really, really good sort of reaccumulation zone, usually a very undervalued period within a bull market. And you can see that we had so much support all the way from July through to August along this $148 level, and we lost that support, and that's where we've fallen down and found support around the $87 mark here. And I'm sure if we were to go into the 4-hour time frame, that's going to look like a really juicy kind of symmetrical triangle. As we can see, lots of support demonstrated along there, and then we have the lower highs, and we've broken out and we've made a massive rally all the way to $145. And from that breakout all the way up here, that's a 50% increase, and it looks like we're just sort of retracing a little bit, maybe down to that 0.5 Fibonacci level. And if we go into the 30-minute time frame, we're going to see a bit more information there, and it just looks like a bit of a descending falling wedge style pattern right there. So it looks excellently bullish again, and if we can hold this level, we're probably going to get another breakout to the upside. I can see it being quite likely that we get something happen. We break out, retest the support, come up to around $145. Otherwise, maybe we lose the support level. We come back down to around $112. Where the previous, the beginning of the flagpole was, and also the converging lines between the symmetrical triangle, I think is a place we would probably find support, somewhere along this $112 level. Looking at the RSI on the 30-minute time frame, we're sitting pretty neutral at 30. The RSI was, however, shall we say, pretty overbought. It was sitting at 85, so it was probably a good time to go short if you did manage to catch that. And now it's just seeing if we can hold this particular support level before we bounce to the upside. And I think it's very likely that we will see that 145 again, and hopefully we can break through that 145 level, as we'll be retargeting the $188 zone. But before then, we do have a lot of resistance at around 167. So if we can retest this 145 zone, where of course we've now got lots of resistance, I think we're good to see a pump to $167. Very, very bullish. When you zoom out of this project, it just looks absolutely you know, it was exponential, and I think now provides a strong opportunity. Of course, not financial advice, but if I was a DCA or to reaccumulate, it would be now. Now we've sort of eliminated the downside potential, and we're all looking at upside potential now. So on the daily time frame, we've got massive bounce in the RSI back at 51. So this could be the beginning of a new uptrend, which would be super duper bullish. I don't have a long-term sort of target right now, but I do think we're going to see that 145 broken through in the next few days or weeks. I think February is going to be quite a good month for crypto. You know, historically looking is usually a good month. So lots of green candles there, looking pretty juicy, and yeah, very, very optimistic that this is going to be a strong project for the future. So before we wrap up the video, I do want to say thank you to the patrons, Mud, Peter, Alp, Kara, Jordan, Barber. So if you want to become a patron, you will of course get your Discord access. You'll unlock one-on-one messaging with me. You'll get a free ebook as well, and it's all the price of a coffee, so you can check that out down in the description below. But it would be great to see you join the Discord regardless, and also subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. What do you think is going to happen with Quant? Do you think we are more likely to see $145, or do you think we're more likely to see $88 at that support level? Let me know down in the comments what you think, and leave a suggestion. Thanks for checking out the video. See you in the next one. Bye guys.